The world of drones is changing fast, and at the heart of that change is DJI. Today, we're going deep into the much-anticipated DJI Mini 5 Pro. The rumors are hot, and the leaks are starting to make waves across the drone community. If you're into drones or even just curious, you don't want to miss this. Because what we're about to explore might just redefine what a lightweight drone can do. Let's start with the basics. DJI's Mini series is already well known. It's small, powerful, and easy to fly. And best of all, because it weighs under 250 grams, you don't need a license to fly it in many countries, including the US. That's a big deal. It means beginners, travelers, and hobbyists can all enjoy flying without the usual red tape. The Mini 4 Pro already pushed the limits, but the Mini 5 Pro might take things to a whole new level. So, what are we hearing? Let's break it down first. Let's talk about the camera. This is where things are getting exciting. According to recent leaks, DJI might be adding a 1-inch sensor to the Mini 5 Pro. That's a big upgrade from the 1.3-inch sensor in the Mini 4 Pro. But why does that matter? Well, in simple terms, a bigger sensor means better image quality. It lets in more light. That means sharper images, clearer details, and better performance in low-light settings. Think sunrise shots, sunset views, nighttime landscapes. All of those become easier and more beautiful with a larger sensor. But that's not all. Even if the resolution doesn't change, the quality will. A better dynamic range means your shots will have more depth and realism. Shadows will hold detail. Highlights won't blow out. Colors will pop, but stay natural. It gives your footage that cinematic look, something you normally expect from much larger, more expensive drones. And while we're on the subject of quality, we have to talk about video. DJI may improve its image processing tech in the Mini 5 Pro. Expect smoother footage, less noise, better sharpness. It's all about refining the experience, not just adding new specs. Now let's talk about tracking. DJI is known for its Active Track. Featured the AI tool that allows the drone to follow people, cars, bikes, or even animals. On the Mini 4 Pro, this was already solid, but the Mini 5 Pro might push this even further. Leaks suggest improved AI tracking, meaning faster detection, better obstacle avoidance, and smoother motion. Picture this. You're biking down a winding trail. The Mini 5 Pro follows you effortlessly, dodging trees, staying locked on your position. It's not just about following. It's about doing it with precision and safety. And that brings us to another exciting rumor, the possible addition of LiDAR. That's right, LiDAR. If true, this would be groundbreaking for a drone of this size. For those unfamiliar, LiDAR is a technology that measures distances using lasers. It creates a 3D map of the environment in real time. That means better depth perception, better obstacle detection, and a whole new level of precision. Until now, LiDAR has mostly been found in high-end drones and autonomous vehicles. If DJI includes it in the Mini 5 Pro, it would set a new standard for compact drones. It could change the way drones interact with their surroundings, especially in complex environments like forests or urban areas. But with all these upgrades, bigger sensors, smarter tracking, and maybe even LiDAR, one question stands out. How will DJI keep the weight under 250 grams? It's a real challenge. A larger sensor usually means a larger camera module. More advanced tracking means more powerful processors. LiDAR adds another piece of hardware. All of this adds weight. But DJI is known for innovation. To keep the drone lightweight, they may use new materials, lighter frames, smaller motors that are just as powerful. It's more efficient battery design. Every gram matters here. The company has done it before, and they might pull it off again. Let's now shift to flight time. The Mini 4 Pro already had an impressive 40-minute max flight time. That's quite a feat for a drone that small. The Mini 5 Pro is expected to maintain or slightly improve that. How is that possible? Again, it's about efficiency. Better software, optimization, improved aerodynamics, and smarter power usage. If DJI can squeeze even a few extra minutes of flight out of the Mini 5, that's a big win. More time in the air means more time to get the perfect shot. Now, let's talk about connectivity. This is where things get really interesting. Leaks suggest that the Mini 5 Pro may support 5G connectivity. That means faster data transmission, better live feed quality, and more reliable long-distance control. Imagine flying your drone miles away and still receiving crystal-clear real-time video. No lag, no stuttering. Just smooth, high-quality footage, streamed right to your controller or device. This would be a huge upgrade for professionals, especially those who use drones for events, inspections, or live broadcasting, even for hobbyists. It means better control and fewer drop signals. And let's not forget one of the biggest selling points of the Mini series, portability. The Mini 5 Pro will almost certainly keep the same foldable, pocket-sized form factor. Easy to carry, easy to deploy. Whether you're hiking up a mountain, traveling abroad, or just taking a walk through the park, the Mini 5 Pro will fit in your bag without hassle. So, when can we expect all of this? Based on DJI's release patterns, we might see the Mini 5 Pro hit the market by December 2024. That would mark roughly 1 year after the Mini 4 Pro's launch. And if that timing holds, we could see announcements and teaser trailers as early as October or November. As for the price, expect something in the range of $899 to $999. That's similar to the Mini 4 Pro's launch price. It's not cheap, but it's also not out of reach for serious hobbyists or professionals looking for a compact, capable drone. Now, let's pause for a moment and take stock. What does all this mean? In short, the Mini 5 Pro isn't about radical change. It's about refinement. It's about taking everything that worked in the Mini 4 Pro and making it even better. Better camera, better tracking, better flight, stability, better connection, maybe even new tech like LiDAR, but always within the tight limits of that 250-gram barrier. And that's the real genius here. G isn't just building a better drone. They're redefining what's possible within that ultralight weight class. That's why so many drone lovers are paying attention. And honestly, so should you. Even if you already own a drone, the Mini 5 Pro might be worth the upgrade. The rumored camera improvements alone make it attractive for aerial photographers. Add in better tracking and smarter flight features, and you've got a compact tool with serious power. If you're just starting out, this could be your first drone. It's lightweight, legal to fly without a license, and yet packed with pro-level features. It's the kind of gear that grows with you. Start with the basics, and as your skills improve, the Mini 5 Pro will still be able to keep up. We're just scratching the surface here. There's a lot more to explore, from battery management to remote controller changes, to DJI's potential new safety features and geofencing systems. But one thing is clear: if even half these leaks are true, the Mini 5 Pro could dominate the compact drone space for the next year, maybe longer. DJI has always been about pushing the envelope. And with the Mini 5 Pro, they might be doing it again. So, what do you think? Are the rumored features enough to make you upgrade? Are you excited about the idea of a lighter-equipped, under 250-gram drone? Or are you waiting to see how the real specs match up with the leaks? Whatever your thoughts, one thing's certain: we're entering a new era of drone innovation. Lightweight doesn't mean light on features anymore. And the Mini 5 Pro might just prove that in the best way possible.